G'day team, great to see you again. The Microsoft Teams app on your mobile phone incorporates almost every feature available on the Teams desktop app, including calls, calendars, meetings, chats, and more. Let's check it out. By using the toolbar on the bottom, we can switch between activity, chats, Teams, calendar, calls, and more. In the Chats tab, you can see all of your open chats, which, like other features, is synced live with the desktop app. You also have the ability to start a new chat as well. Moving along, your teams are accessible through the Teams tab, including all channels and available files. You can also create new teams here as well. The calendar reflects exactly what you have in your Outlook calendar and thus syncs across to Teams, desktop and mobile. You can join virtual meetings through the Teams app the same way you would on your desktop. Easy as. You can also make phone calls to your internal contacts and external numbers if you have a Teams calling license that allows you to do so. Calls work exactly the same as they do on the desktop version of Teams. This includes receiving calls. So if you have the Teams app on your mobile, there's no real need to forward your calls from your desktop app to your mobile number. Just use the mobile app. And finally, you also have the ability to view and use apps that are available through your Teams account. Moving back to settings, here you can set your status, set your work location, set a status message, and also adjust your notifications, which includes a pretty nifty feature called Quiet Time, perfect to keep that work-life balance in check. Here, you can set Teams to automatically block notifications during certain hours of certain days. If you toggle it on, Teams usually picks up your work hours set in Outlook and automatically sets your quiet hours. But you can adjust these as you prefer. You can also set all-day notification blocking, ideal for weekends. And finally, you can toggle on Set on Teams and Outlook, which also blocks notifications from Outlook during these specified times as well. And that's the Teams app for mobile. If you don't have it already, I recommend checking it out and finding out for yourself how it helps boost your productivity and assist with remote working.